Hi, this tutorial is to familiarize you with the Satsang Foundation website, and then in the subsequent tutorials we will look at how to make changes and additions to the website. Right here on the top you have a search facility. You can type whatever you want to search and click on the search icon and it will search for you. Two rows of menus over here. The first row is what is called pages. Now pages are more static or unchanging. What that means is that this information, for example, I'm clicking on the founder Sri M, will pretty much remain unchanged for at least the next 6 months. Okay, so you will find this information, for example, in different pages. If I click on get involved, then you see that corresponding information and so on. The second row is what is made up of posts, and typically a post is something that will get added by any one of the editors pretty often, maybe once every 4 or 5 days, and it will show up depending upon how you set it at different places on the website. I'll explain that a little more in detail just now. Anytime you want to get back to the opening page, all you need to do is to click on the home menu. I suggest that you explore around these different first and second menu items just to get a sense of the broad structure of the website. In terms of the building blocks that show up, right below the main menu, you can see this image changing. This is the slideshow. To the right of it is the recently added items. I'll scroll down now. This second set of items over here is the slider show, and you can change to other items on the slider show by clicking on next, next again, or by clicking on back like this. So you can go wherever you want to in the slider show and look at different items. Anytime you want to get into further detail, just click on that particular item and it will take you into that detail. I'm going to click on the back button now so that we are back over here. By the way, even in the slideshow the same thing holds. If you click on, for example, now the Guru Purnima at Kailash link or at mstocks link, that particular post will open up. Further down, these two boxes over here are part of what is called the featured posts. So at any time you can set some posts to be featured and they will show up in a place of prominence on the opening page. They also, by the way, show up right at the bottom in text summary form. Between the real bottom and the featured show there is a ticker line, and this ticker line is reflecting the same, is reflecting events that are coming up. So it is indicative of events, which is another set of posts. So in the next tutorial we will get into the details of how these are organized, but the keywords for you to remember are slideshow, recently added, slider show, below the slideshow, notice slideshow, slider show, featured posts. Over here are these are tags. These will show up depending upon how they are used, and the ticker. The ticker will contain the events. So these are the key things for you to remember for now. For now, this is all.